Hello guys and girls, me Malina here, known as Malina LLC, and today I'm going to teach you how to actually SSH into a Linux operating system using the Linux, using Linux and also using the Android phone. I remember people was requesting me and DM me and saying that, oh my god, I need you to make a video on how to make a SSH, how to SSH into it. And because I made a video saying, hey, this is why Android's better, because let's be honest, I'm not a fanboy. I try to not be a fanboy or anything, you know. I do have an iPhone too, obviously. I'm recording on my iPhone, but I also have an Android just in case, for software development and all that stuff. So I do support both platforms. I do both use Android and iOS. However, sometimes people want to be a fanboy and, you know, just like, especially like some people, like girlfriends, which is weird. I never heard of that until I saw a video on YouTube, and that's why I made a video. But yeah, going to what I was saying though, today, I'm going to teach you how to SSH into a Linux operating system. Now, this is for Linux users. I'm pretty sure you can do this with Windows. Windows is way harder, but I'm going to do it with Linux because it's the most simplest. It's the easiest because I love Linux. You could do this, and I love Android. You could do this. Also, by the way, what people didn't know is Android. The kernel for Android is Linux, but it's not Linux. It's totally different. So it's totally different. But the kernel is based on Linux, and while Linux is based on it's a separate kernel, so it's totally different. But I'm not getting into that. But if you didn't know that, and then I believe the iOS or Apple's phone is based on the BSD kernel, so it's totally different kernel. So that's how you. If you don't know the difference, then that's why people are so dumb nowadays. But let's get to the video. Thank you for like 86 subscribers, guys. I can't believe that. But yeah, let's get to the video. The first thing we're gonna do, we'll go down this software. Let me show you. All right, let me hide my passcode so you don't see it because that'll be weird. I'm trying to censor it. So the first thing we're going to do, you want to go to the Play Store. I'm going to connect the Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to the same network. So connect the Wi-Fi first. Make sure you're on the same network. That's the key point. Make sure you're on the same network. So first we'll go to Wi-Fi settings. Make sure you're connected on the same network. You know, Wi-Fi settings, everything. Make sure you're on the same network, which is cool. That's my Wi-Fi, obviously. Sorry about that. But yeah, now first thing we're going to do, you want to go to the Play Store. I'm going to the Play Store, okay? Once you go to the Play Store, you want to search for SSH. Now, this is going to be hard to record because I have two devices, and I don't know how. I was originally going to do, like, screen record it, but it would have been so difficult. So you want to do SSH. You want to search for SSH. SSH. This is, not SSI. No, my God. SSH. Don't get it twisted, okay? So, yeah, there's a few tools I like. Now, the one I recommend is the first one. It's very good. This one's good. This is the best one in my opinion. So let's go with this one. This is pretty cool. This is called Juice SSH tool, and yeah, it's pretty cool. They don't, it's pretty good. The ratings are good. So I recommend this one. Get this one. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll leave the link in the description. Maybe I don't know. Maybe not. But just search for SSH or this particular one's pretty good. I don't know why it has any private purchase, but usually you don't really need that. You don't need to pay for it. It's free, so you don't have to worry about it. So while that downloads, and we'll take a break and get some honey iced tea. So it's almost done downloading actually, which is pretty cool. It downloads pretty quickly. It's only 20 megabytes. It's not bloated, which is thank God. So that's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And yeah, that's pretty cool. All right. So next thing, what you want to do? Is you want to go to the app right here. You want to go to this app. Make sure you connect to the same network, obviously. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we're going to do a quick connect. And now, here's the key. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. So now, this is what you want to do. So in my case, my username, you want to put this is for Linux, by the way. So you want to put username and then @ hostname and then the port number, I think. You don't have to put, I think the host name, that's it. So let's do this. So the first thing, what you know, in my case, my username is Malina LLC. So this is for Linux only. So this is for Linux. Your username may be totally different. It may be totally different, obviously. So keep that in mind. Your username may be different. So whatever username is, like the first, like believe this side. I believe this side right here. Yeah, like right here at this side. This is your username, I believe. This is basically your username. So if you find that, good. This is the computer name. That's the computer name. This is the username in my case. So my case is Malina LC. So I will put Malina because it's pretty simple. look for your username. Make sure you get the right username because you want to connect this right. And then Malian LLC, and then you want to put at. Now, in this case, you want to put at the IP address. Now, one way to check IP address, I'm not gonna show you my IP obviously, but you would just type on Linux. You could do this. You just type my IP address. I'm not gonna show you because it's private. And then you would look into I'm not gonna show you my IP obviously because do the privacy, which is bad, and you don't want to connect to the IP. But I'm gonna censor that because it's really bad. But basically connect to that, and you could just check your IP from there. But check from there, and you see it there. But I can't show you because I don't want to get doxxed or anything. So yeah, you just press that, and you just type your IP address. Now let me show you. Now let me type in the IP. Let me type in the IP real quick. Let me pause this for a second. Hold on. Let me just hide this. Let me pause this for a second. This is really hard to record on it, honestly. This is really hard to record. I'm sorry about the technical difficulties. All right, let me see. Let me type my private address real quick. I'm sorry about the wait. Oh my God, I'm sorry about the wait. Yeah, I'm sorry about the wait real quick. Hold on a second. Where the hell is it? Where the hell is it? Where the hell is it? Oh God, I can't find it. Can't find it. Hold on. Let me figure. Point one. All right, so now you want to type in the passcode. Let's hopefully this works. Oh wait, no, it didn't work. Oh no. Oh yeah, you want to type in the passcode. So it's gonna say authentication failure. Don't worry, you just gotta type in the passcode. So type in your username and passcode, which is cool. And it should be connecting right now. Which is cool. And there you go. I think we're connected. There we go. We're connected, and boom, I'm connected to the Linux screen. I couldn't show you my IP due to privacy, obviously, privacy, and I don't want to get doxxed because I had to make sure my IP was not leaked, which is bad. You don't want to leak